Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Java regular expressions, regex, provide a powerful way to define patterns for searching and manipulating strings. The java.util.regex package contains classes for defining and using regular expressions. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to use Java's regex capabilities, including how to test regex patterns against strings. Overview of Java regex. 1. Key classes. Pattern represents a compiled representation of a regex. Matcher, used to match a character sequence against a pattern. Pattern syntax exception, thrown to indicate a syntax error in a regex pattern. Basic steps to use regex in Java. 1. Compile a regex pattern, create a pattern object from a regex string. 2. Create a matcher, use the pattern object to create a matcher for a specific input string. 3. Perform matching operations, use methods on the matcher object to find matches, replace text, etc. Example code. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to use regex in Java to test if a string matches a specific pattern. Explanation of the code. 1. Pattern. The regex used here is a basic pattern for validating email addresses. $0-9% matches the beginning of the email, which can include letters, numbers, and some special characters. @0-9- matches the domain name after the symbol. \\.$2 ensures that the domain ends with a dot followed by at least 2 letters, like .com, .org, etc. 2. Compiling the pattern, pattern.compile, regex, compiles the regex into a pattern object. 3. Creating a matcher, for each email, a matcher is created using pattern.matcher, email. 4. Matching, the matcher.matches method checks if the whole input string matches the pattern. 5. Output, the program prints whether each email is valid or invalid based on the regex pattern. Common regex methods. Matches, checks if the entire input string matches the pattern. Find, searches for the next subsequence of the input sequence that matches the pattern. Replace all, string replacement, replaces all substrings of the input sequence that match the pattern with the given replacement string. Conclusion. Using Java regex is a powerful way to validate and manipulate strings based on patterns. The example above demonstrates how to compile a regex, create a matcher, and test strings against that regex. You can extend this tutorial by exploring more complex regex patterns and additional methods available in the matcher class. Feel free to modify the regex and test different strings to get familiar with how regex works.